Hello friends, welcome to Affairs Cloud. We learn to lead. My name is Vikas. So friends, in this video we will be discussing about some of the most important current affairs of the topic environment as well as books and authors of the July month. This video will be very helpful to you, so do watch the video till the end, hit the like button and share the link of this video with your friends. So friends, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and hit the like button of this video. So friends, we'll start with our session, but before that we have something important to tell you about. We have an app by the name Carriers Cloud which you can go and download through the Play Store. Once you have downloaded the app, you will open the app and you will see this type of screen. In this, you can go and log in with your Google account, that is your Gmail ID. Then once you have logged in, then you will be moved to this page where you can see a window. If you click on the current affairs section here, then you will be move to this page. Now this is where magic happens. This is the course where there are two courses provided by us. First, you should know it is of 1 year and 2 years, so choose your course accordingly. What we are providing and what is the reason behind that you should purchase course of current affairs from us, and what are the important details about it. First thing, you should know that we provide you current affairs in both English and Hindi. Okay. Also, we provide you here current affairs daily. PDFs are provided daily. The important factor here to remember is we are providing PDF to you daily. Okay, that contains question answers of the daily current affairs. They are explained in a much easy way where you can grasp the knowledge and do your revision. Okay, apart from that, we provide you with question answers. Then on every day we provide you 20 question answers quiz, daily 20 questions quiz. So imagine how much it will benefit you in your preparation. Then we provide you same thing for weekly. In weekly we take a quiz of 50 questions. Then question answers of week, we provide you a book, PDF is provided you weekly of the compiled questions of the whole week. Similarly for monthly also, ebook is given, your quizzes are taken, question answers PDF. Then apart from it, we also help you to prepare for banking papers. All the banking exams you can go refer to our videos and our courses here. You can see here the we provide you banking and economic quiz of 157 questions. Okay, then topic wise PDFs are covered. As you can see, we are making videos on indexes and reports, important days, the books and authors, all the events that are taking place in individual months. So these PDFs are provided to you and they will help you a lot in your preparation for journal awareness, your journal studies, as well as for current affairs. Then you can see we also provide you current affairs for statewise current affairs are provided to you. Apart from this, I have a gift for all of my friends here. If you use my code Vikas10, you will be getting a straight 10% discount on the purchase you make. So when you are about to check out and do the payment, just before the payment, you will be getting an option to use the promo code. There you can put the Vikas10, the code, and you will be getting an extra 10% discount on the total purchase you make there. So let's start with our video. So friends, let's start. First we'll be talking about books, then we'll be discussing about some of the new species that are related to topic your environment. Alright, so first is book title Fiercely Female, that is based on the Duti Chand story. That is the author of this book is Sandeep Mishra. I repeat, for the book Fiercely Female, as you can see in the book picture here, the picture of the women here is Duti Chand, and you can see the author of this book will be Sandeep Mishra. So three things to remember: Fiercely Female, Duti Chand, and Sandeep Mishra will be the author of this book. The journalist Sandeep Mishra authored a new book, Fiercely Female, the Duti Chand story. The book incites on the gender identity controversy of popular Indian sprinter Duti Chand. She is the first openly homosexual athlete. The book details the controversy when Duti Chand was dropped from the 2014 Commonwealth Games on false gender identity claims, which was later turned to her favor by the Court of Attribution for Sports. Alright, so Fiercely Female is based on the Duti Chand story, and the author of this book will be Sandeep Mishra. Next, Next is your Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister, that is Shivraj Singh Chauhan, has released a book that has been authored by Dr. Gauri Shankar, and the name of the book is Janak Suta Sut Shaurya. Alright, I repeat, Janak Suta Sut Shaurya is the name of the book that has been published or released by Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, that is Shivraj Singh Chauhan, but the author of this book was Dr. Gauri Shankar. Moving on. Next is the title of this next book is The Struggle Within, a Memoir of the Emergency. This book has been authored by Ashok Chakravarti. Ashok Chakravarti is the author of the book The Struggle Within, a Memoir of the Emergency. This book will be released by HarperCollins India. Next we'll be talking about a book that is the true story of Gandhi's assassin. He is the person who shot Mahatma Gandhi dead. His name is Nathuram Godse, and the author of this book will be Dhaval Kulkarni. Alright, do take a note of it, important. Nathuram Godse is the person who killed Mahatma Gandhi by shooting him dead. He shot him, alright, and he is Nathuram Godse. Now you need to tell me what your homework is. What was the year and what was the date on which Nathuram Godse shot Mahatma Gandhi dead? Next, India to Rescue, a children's book authored by Sushant Singh and Shruti Rao. I repeat, the name of the book is India to Rescue. That is a children's book authored by two persons. They are Sushant Singh and Shruti Rao. The book features rescue operation, that is your Operation Cactus, which averted the Maldives crisis on 3rd of November 1988. Next book is released by Worldwide Fund for Nature, that is your WWF, and your Penguin Random House in India. That name of the books is EEKS. Alright, it is a new series of books to introduce children to the world of insects, which include a range of insects like bees, mosquitoes, ants, and cockroaches. So the question can be asked, recently, Worldwide Fund for Nature and Penguin Random House together released a series of books to introduce children with insects. What is the name of the book? It is your EEKS. And the series comprises 4 books that are authored by Aarti Muthan Singh and Mamta Naini. Next we'll be talking about a book, Operation Khukri, the true story behind the Indian Army's most successful mission as a part of the United Nations. This book has been authored by Major General Rajpal Punia and Dhamini Punia. Alright, 2 persons has authored this book, Major General Rajpal Punia and Dhamini Punia. Name of the book is Operation Khukri, and it is based on the true story behind the Indian Army's most successful mission as a part of the United Nations. Next book is The Fourth Lion, that is on the essays for Gopal Krishna Gandhi. This book has been edited or authored by Venu Madhav Govindu and Srinath Raghavan. Do take a note of this, it is important. Alright, next is book Lady Doctors, the Untold Stories of India's First Women in Medicine, authored by Kavita Rao. I repeat, what is the name of the book? Lady Doctors, the Untold Stories of India's First Women in Medicine, and the author of this book is Kavita Rao. Next we'll be talking about our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has recently received the first copy of the book The Ramayana of Shri Guru Gobind Singh Ji. I repeat, question can be asked, the Ramayana of Shri Guru Gobind Singh Ji was recently released, and the first copy was received by whom? It was received by our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi Ji. Next we'll be talking about a pregnancy Bible. Recently, Kareena Kapoor Khan, or Kareena Khan as you can say, she is the actress, and she has recently released a book titled Kareena Kapoor Khan's Pregnancy Bible. Alright, next is A Cold New War. I repeat, a new Cold War. I correct myself, a new Cold War. Henry Kissinger and the Rise of China. Do take a note of this, name is important. Henry Kissinger and the Rise of China, a new Cold War. This book has been authored by 2 persons. They are Sanjaya Baru and Rahul Sharma. Do take a note of both the names. Sanjaya Baru and Rahul Sharma is the author of the book A New Cold War, Henry Kissinger and the Rise of China. Next Next, the name of the book is The Long Game, How the Chinese Negotiate with India. Very important book looking into the current situation between India and China. The name of the book is The Long Game, How the Chinese Negotiate with India, and this book has been authored by Vijay Gokhale. Alright, do take a note of this. This is important. The Long Game by Vijay Gokhale. Next, Riding Free, My Olympic Journey, written by Imtiaz Anis. He is the person Imtiaz Anis, and the name of the book is Riding Free, My Olympic Journey. Next, a book on the rise of Indian American that has been inspired by Kamala Harris. I repeat. And who is the author? He is Tarun Basu. The name of the book is Rise of Indian Americans. Editor or author is Tarun Basu, inspired by Kamala Harris. Next we'll be talking about a book named India versus China, and the author of this book is Kanti Bajpai. Important, do take a note of it. Alright, Kanti Bajpai is the author of the book named India versus China, Why They Are Not Friends. Next we'll be talking about former minister Khemlata Waklu authored a new book named A Kashmiri Century, Portrait of Society in Flux. Alright, what is the name of the book? A Kashmiri Century, Portrait of a Society in Flux. This book has been authored by whom? Khemlata Waklu. Next is Space Life Matter, Important, The Coming Age of Indian Science. This book has been authored by Hari Pulakat. Alright, Hari Pulakat authored the book Space Life Matter. Alright, as we know, all the countries, even all the countries on the earth now are paying attention to the space exploration. So in that context, this book can be important. Space Life Matter by Hari Pulakat. Next we'll be talking about The Stranger in the Mirror. I repeat, The Stranger in the Mirror. This is an autobiography and the author is Rakesh Omprakash Mehra. I repeat, Rakesh Omprakash Mehra announced his autobiography, and the name of the autobiography is The Stranger in the Mirror. Next we'll be talking about the India story, authored by Bimal Jalan. Alright, I repeat, the name of the book is The India Story, An Epic Journey of Democracy and Development, that has been authored by Bimal Jalan. Next, former cricketer Michael Holding has authored a new book, Why We Kneel, How We Rise. I repeat, the name of the book is Why We Kneel, How We Rise, and the author of this book is West Indies cricketing legend and former cricketer Michael Holding. Alright, remember his name, and this book has detailed the book on the issue of racism and ways to tackle the problem faced over generation. Next we'll be talking about An Ordinary Life. The author of this book is Ashok Lavasa. This ordinary life is an portrait of an Indian generation. I repeat, An Ordinary Life, Portrait of an Indian Generation, authored by Ashok Lavasa. Do take a note of it. Very important, because Ashok Lavasa is a famous author. Next we'll be talking about Renegades, Born in the USA, authored by two-person Barack Obama and Bruce Springsteen. Alright, do remember this, Renegades. Next we'll be talking about a book named Kashmir Ki Kyari Mein Aag Ki Laptein Aakhir Kab Tak. This book has been authored by Beena Budki but released by Maharashtra governor, and name of the Maharashtra governor is Bhagat Singh Koshyari. So Maharashtra's governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari has released a book named Kashmir Ki Kyari Mein Aag Ki Laptein Aakhir Kab Tak, that has been written by or authored by Beena Budki, that tells about the life in Kashmir after post Article 370. After the removing of Article 370, what's the life of the people there? Next we'll be talking about a book, Bank with a Soul, Equitas. This book has been authored by C.K. Gadiali, as you can see him in the picture. I repeat, Bank with a Soul, Equitas, authored by C.K. Gadiali. Next Next, we'll be talking about a book, Shifting Orbits. Name of the book is Shifting Orbits. This book has been released by Amitabh Kant, who is the CEO of Niti Aayog, and this book is on the Indian startup ecosystem. I repeat, a book on the Indian startup ecosystem named Shifting Orbits has been released by Amitabh Kant, who is the CEO of Niti Aayog. Next, now these were some of the books and authors. Now we will be discussing some of the environment related questions, and basically these are the new type of species of various animals that are discovered in the July month. First we'll be talking about a semi slug. All right, Western Ghat has record a new species and has given a new species to science. It is a semi slug. There are actually two species that has been found related to slugs. Both the species are, one is Varadia ambolensis and second is snail of Shahadri. Alright, the two different discoveries conducted by separate groups of researchers have identified two endemic species of snails from Western Ghat region or from West Ghat region. The two are a species of nocturnal semi-slug called Varadia ambolensis, which is new to science world, and the second is snail of Shadri. Shadri is also known as Western Ghat, which is compared to tiger due to its unique carnivore characters, which was discovered for the first time in Maharashtra's Western Ghat. Now, if we talk about Western Ghats are known as Shadri in Maharashtra. The Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats meet at a position where the hills are known as Nilgiri Hills. If we talk about Anaimudi is the highest peak in the Western Ghats and South India as a whole. Now, if we are talking about highest peaks, so let's look at some of the highest peaks in India. If we are talking about Aravali Hills are here. Wait, let me give it a better drawing. All right, here are your Aravali Hills. All right, where is your Himalaya? Himalayas are here. All right, where is Vindhyas? There is a gap, you can understand this gap. All right, above it is your Vindhyas, and below this is your Satpura range. All right, where is your Nilgiri? As we are saying, Western Ghat, and this is your Eastern Ghat, and the point where they meet, this is your Nilgiri Hills. All right, now if we look at the highest peaks of the individual hills, what are they? And these are important. All right, first of all, for Aravali, which is the highest point of Aravali? Highest point of Aravali is your Guru Shikhar. Guru Shikhar. Highest point of Vindhyas. Highest point of Vindhyas is known as Shikhar. Highest point of Satpura is known as Dhupgarh. And if we are talking about the highest point of Nilgiri, it is your Doda Beta peak. Doda Beta peak. But now here a term is name is given Anaimudi. Anaimudi is actually the highest peak of this peninsular region. All right, this is your Anaimudi of this peninsular region. The highest peak is Anaimudi. All right, let me write here. Anaimudi. It is the highest peak of this peninsular region. All right, of this peninsular region, it is your highest peak. Then for Himalayas, we'll know highest peak is Mount Everest only. These are important things that you need to remember. These can be asked in your questions or exams. All right, moving on. Next we'll be talking about a new species of snake that has been discovered in the state of Mizoram. Important, and the name of this snake can be tricky. That is Stolichia van Hunailiani. All right, this is the name of the new species of snakes that has been discovered in Mizoram. Just take a note of this only. All right, next we'll be talking about a new species of moss or new plant species has been discovered in Antarctica, and it has been named after India. The name of this is Bryum bharathensis. All right, Bryum bharathensis. If we look at the data, the polar biologist from the Central University of Punjab discovered Bryum bharathensis, a new native species of moss from Antarctica. It can also be asked, Bryum bharathensis is a new species of what? It is a new species of moss, and it has been discovered where? It has been discovered in Antarctica. The species is named after India as a tribute to India and its Antarctic station. The name of the Antarctic station is Bharti. Bryum barthensis is the first plant species discovered from Antarctica during the Indian Antarctic mission, which began in 1981. Bryum barthensis has been confirmed as the new species of moss discovered for the first time in the world. Next we'll be talking about state Assam. A new underground spider species has been found in Assam and it has been named as Grevillea boro. Grevillea boro is the name of the new species of underground spider that were found in which state? It were found in Assam. Next we'll be talking about a new insect species discovered in the biodiversity rich regions of Nilgiri, and it has been named as Bionicurus tamilensis. Tamilensis, that means this will be discovered in which state? In Tamil Nadu. Alright, it is a 1 mm long flightless insect that has been named Biocrinesis tamilensis. Next, we just saw this, and if we look at the data, see, where was this discovered? It was discovered in the Nilgiri hills of Tamil Nadu region. Alright. So friends, this was our video. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you liked our video, do hit the like button, share the link with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel or if you are new to our channel, then do subscribe because it motivates us to bring a better content for you guys. Also, if you have any trouble regarding login or payment or any other issues, then you can reach to us on our mail, that is support@affairscloud.com, or you can call us on the number 9677333862 and we'll resolve your issue as soon as possible. Also, you should go and check our courses that are available at a very reasonable price and that will help you to boost your preparation.